Hey, this is a quick review of the Crest 3D Whitening Therapy Charcoal Toothpaste. The first thing I want to go over is that this toothpaste is not that charcoaly, or rather, it doesn't have that much charcoal in it. What I mean by that is that if you just kind of squeeze out the toothpaste here, right, you see how it's kind of like striped? All right, you can kind of compare that to like another popular toothpaste, sort of like the Hello Charcoal toothpaste, right? If you kind of squeeze this out, you see how it's like pitch black. So what this does is that when you actually brush with it, right? The Crest one, when you brush with it, it doesn't actually turn your mouth black like the pictures that you kind of see online and on TV and all of that. It's more of like a light purple color. But if you use like the Hello, since it's like pitch black, your mouth will literally turn black. So my guess is that it doesn't have that much charcoal in there. Although like the pro for that is that it leaves less of a mess in the sink, right? Because when you use the one that's all black, it leaves like black splotches all over the sink and it creates a huge mess. The second thing I want to go over is the whitening efficacy of charcoal toothpastes in general. So the way charcoal toothpastes kind of whiten your teeth is via mechanical abrasion. What that means is that it uses like abrasives in the toothpaste, and in this case is mostly the charcoal to kind of scrub stains off of the surface of your enamel. So that is similar to how if you have like a food on a dinner plate and you kind of just scrub it off, all right? So that technically whitens it, but it doesn't whiten in the way that you think it does. The way we think of whitening is with like teeth bleaching, right? Where you kind of bleach stains off your teeth. For that, you kind of need a peroxide in there, all right? So kind of like this Crest whitening strip here. Right, if you look on the ingredients, it has like peroxide. So you need peroxide to kind of bleach the stains out of the teeth. Unfortunately, charcoal toothpastes don't have that, so it cannot bleach your teeth whiter, right? So if you're specifically looking for like a bleaching toothpaste, you may want to try something with peroxide, such as like the Colgate Optic White Pro series, which has 5% peroxide in there. So this one will actually bleach your teeth whiter, all right? And then the third thing kind of want to address about this toothpaste is the design of it actually. I kind of don't really like the cap design for this. I've noticed because it has like a small circular cap. I noticed that when my hands are wet and I try to grip it, like I lose grip and I can't really unscrew it that well. All right. I kind of much prefer the toothpastes with the flip cap. You can kind of grab it and then just kind of open. It takes like less than a second, but the screwing, it could take a really long time, you know. And so that's the one thing I don't like about it. So at the end of the day, I still think that this is still a decent toothpaste since it does have fluoride in there. Some of the charcoal ones you have to be careful because some of them don't have fluoride. Like this one's fluoride free. So these don't actually prevent cavities. So the good thing about the Crest 3D white charcoal is that it does have fluoride, so it could prevent cavities. The only thing to keep in mind is that if you're trying to use it as a whitening toothpaste, it won't give you crazy white teeth afterwards. You may want to use a peroxide-based product if you're specifically looking for, like the whitest teeth that you can get. All right, and that's about it.